Welcome back. This is the train channel. We got a B&P train. Let's roll it and check it out. It's like another petroleum local train again, like we did last time. Yeah. Engine numbers 3020, 3120, and 120. Got a grain hopper behind the power. Yep. 3 consecutive Procor tankers in this train, yeah. Comes 2 more. Well, actually, there comes 3 more. I get those quite a bit on the OC cheese as well. I only got them like once. But I never get... Otherwise, everything else I get is either the UTLX or GATX. I get those on grain hoppers as well. It's kind of a long tanker train here. Yeah, this is a long one. Especially with 3 engines up front. I mentioned that on one of the Peyton's live streams a few months ago. There's the end. There's the end of the B&P local freight train. Mostly local tanker train it is, from the Jeffrey the Train channels on YouTube on this Tuesday, October the 21st, 2025. It's pretty good now with 3 engines up front. Engine number, it's kind of weird. I haven't seen engine numbers 3020 and 3120 like this before. I haven't seen them on here before as well. So it was like the one grain hopper, and everything else was tankers all the way till the end, including bunches of Proctor tankers went by. There's a lot of them in this train. So, all right, that's gonna do it for this version, and we'll be back on with another train if there is one. Talk to you later. If not, we'll talk to you guys later. I do have a premiere coming up on the train channel. It's a CSX intermodal train. It'll be coming in as well. We'll have a premiere of it probably tomorrow night at 7:30 on the train channel. So I'm going to end the version here. We'll be back on. Talk to you later.